So Unit 2, Activity 1 is geologic processes, and so we're looking at earthquakes and volcanoes in this activity. There have been some recent earthquakes, lots of volcano activity in Hawaii this summer. So what's interesting about this course is, and whether it's just because I'm teaching the course, I'm more aware of it, but it just seems like there's a whole lot more natural disasters and things that are occurring in the world than I was aware of previously. So looking at these things right now. So the beginning is just sort of getting you to sort of think about the Earth and sort of how it exists now. It talks about our continents and our oceans, but how did things sort of get to the stage and where they're at right now? And so it's sort of giving you this image right here, which is really cool. So if you think about Pangea, where at one time all the land mass was once together, everything's slowly shifting and moving on plates that are on the Earth's surface. So this is a review of some of your grade 9 geography again in terms of plate tectonics and how we had these movements of these plates, all about the Earth and what's changing and shaping how the Earth looks today. And of course, the processes are still occurring. So going back again to your grade 9 geography, nice little interactive here to review the content and the different things that were covered in the course back then. And then going a little bit further, it's going to talk about the different types of boundaries and the different zones that exist. So the different processes, process number 1, process number 2, 3, as well as in this case process number 4. So all these things are involved with earthquakes and potentially volcanoes. So it's a little bit of learning here to go along with that, as well as some transform boundaries. There's a quiz you would then do once this has been sort of completed. So it'll test your knowledge. So whether or not you've learned the information that was just shared above. Some more details about different plate tectonics and those things. There's an ArcGIS map. When you click on this map, it actually opens up the map, and then it also then allows you to put some layers on there, so you can add the information that you need in order to complete the assignment. Here's a graphic organizer as well to keep track of the information that you've been gathering, so make sure you complete that. And then once that organizer has been completed, what you're actually going to do is you're going to put that organizer into this discussion item right here. And then what will happen is you'll go into the discussion items, you'll read somebody else's organizer, you'll take a quick look through that organizer, and you use this checklist right here to assess a peer's work. You're not going to post this right to the discussion. It'll actually in this assignment Dropbox right here, and then I'll be able to go in and check and mark your peer assessment. All right, so looking to see if you're able to identify things that they're doing well and things that need to be worked on. So that's how it works for that unit. And then the consolidation piece is a patterns and trends analysis. So you'll pick a geologically active location on Earth. Here's a guide that sort of shows you how to do it. So you guys can type in the location, follow the steps. It'll produce one right on the screen for you. So here's the instructions once you've chosen your location. Take a screenshot of this location as a visual reference to include in your analysis, and then put the layers on it. So that's using this ArcGIS map up here. You can then get that image and then layer. I'll go back up, sorry. So this map here, you can add the layers, whatever information it needs in order to be attached to this assignment. And then once you have your patterns and trends analysis done, you'll then add that patterns and trends analysis to the bottom. So again, so make sure you submit your location, so a screenshot of the location showing what's happening, what's going on, and then you're going to analyze that screenshot with the patterns and trends analysis to go with it, and it gets submitted to this Dropbox right here.